Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Audi A6 Avant S, a luxury performance wagon that perfectly blends sporty dynamics, everyday practicality, and Audi's signature refinement. Designed for drivers who want performance without sacrificing space and comfort, the A6 Avant S stands out as one of the most versatile premium vehicles on the road. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2026 Audi A6 Avant S features sleek, athletic body panels that emphasize motion even when the car is standing still. Sculpted lines along the sides improve aerodynamics while giving the wagon a low, wide stance. Lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel are used to reduce overall weight, improve handling, and enhance fuel efficiency, all while maintaining excellent structural rigidity. Headlights. At the front, the A6 Avant S is equipped with advanced LED matrix headlights that deliver precise, adaptive illumination. These headlights automatically adjust their beam pattern based on traffic and road conditions, maximizing visibility without blinding other drivers. The sharp daytime running light signature adds a modern, high-tech appearance that reflects Audi's premium design language. Taillights. The rear features slim LED taillights with dynamic turn signals that flow smoothly to indicate direction changes. This not only improves visibility for vehicles behind you but also adds a touch of sophistication. The taillight design stretches across the rear, visually widening the car and enhancing its sporty stance. Grille. The signature single-frame grille dominates the front fascia with a bold, blacked-out S-line finish. Designed to maximize airflow to the engine and cooling systems, the grille supports performance driving while reinforcing the car's aggressive personality. Subtle S badging highlights its sport-oriented character. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside, the A6 Avant S offers sport seats designed to provide exceptional comfort and lateral support. Wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, the seats hold occupants firmly during spirited driving while remaining comfortable on long journeys. Heating, ventilation, and power adjustment features ensure a personalized seating experience for both driver and passengers. Dashboard. The dashboard features a clean, minimalist layout with high-quality materials throughout. Soft touch surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create a luxurious atmosphere. The driver-focused design places key information and controls within easy reach, enhancing focus and reducing distractions while driving. Infotainment system. The infotainment system is powered by Audi's latest MMI interface, displayed across dual high-resolution touchscreens. The system offers seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, intuitive navigation, and customizable vehicle settings. Haptic feedback ensures accurate input, while voice commands allow hands-free control for added convenience and safety. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom, leather-wrapped steering wheel enhances the sporty feel of the cabin. Paddle shifters allow for manual gear changes, giving drivers greater control during dynamic driving. Integrated buttons manage audio, driver assistance systems, and cruise control, keeping essential functions right at your fingertips. Powertrain components. Engine. The 2026 Audi A6 Avant S is powered by a performance-oriented turbocharged engine that delivers strong acceleration and smooth power delivery. The engine is tuned to provide a balance between everyday drivability and sporty response. Paired with Audi's advanced all-wheel drive system, it ensures excellent traction and stability in all weather conditions. Hybrid option. Audi offers a mild hybrid system designed to improve efficiency without sacrificing performance. This system assists the engine during acceleration, enables smoother start-stop operation, and recovers energy during braking. The result is improved fuel economy, reduced emissions, and a more refined driving experience, especially in city traffic. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The A6 Avant S comes equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. These airbags are strategically positioned to protect occupants in a wide range of collision scenarios. Advanced sensors ensure rapid and precise deployment for maximum safety. Parking assist. Parking is effortless thanks to Audi's advanced parking assist system. Front and rear sensors, along with a high-definition rear-view camera and optional 360-degree view, help drivers navigate tight spaces with confidence. The system can even assist with steering during parallel or perpendicular parking, reducing stress in crowded areas. Pricing. The 2026 Audi A6 Avant S is expected to start at approximately $72,000, with additional options and performance packages pushing the price higher. Considering its luxury interior, advanced technology, powerful performance, and versatile wagon design, the A6 Avant S delivers strong value in the premium performance segment. Ending note. That concludes our in-depth look at the 2026 Audi A6 Avant S. With its elegant design, sporty performance, spacious interior, and cutting-edge technology, this wagon proves that practicality and excitement can coexist beautifully. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.